Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a update for Firefox, and it is a bug fixing update that could be important for some of you. And the reason is that when we got Firefox 1.12, what happened is a bug was discovered that randomly removes all your cookies in the browser. Now you might say, well, I don't need cookies. Well, if you like to be signed in automatically on websites or have automated settings already there for you, cookies are what actually does that on the websites you visit. So if you actually have cookies removed, you might actually be signed out of websites you usually go that are already signed in for you and reset all sorts of preferences you might have chosen. So it's a small bug fix. If you go on the FIREFOX browser, upper right corner and the hamburger menu, help and about Firefox, you'll be moved to 112.0.1, and that fixes the random cookie delete. So you might not have seen it yet, but if you don't update, you might actually lose your cookies at some point, as apparently it's very random, but it plagued a lot of users. So update to fix that problem, and you should be okay after that. No security fixes, nothing important there. It's really just a bug fix for the random cookie delete bug. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.